Are you looking for a meaningful career where you can serve your community, grow professionally, and be part of a supportive team? The Bay County Clerk of Court and Comptroller may have the perfect opportunity for you. Our employees work together every day to provide important public services to the citizens of Bay County. We're proud to provide a positive and professional work environment where employees are valued, supported, and encouraged to grow. As part of the Bay County Clerk of Court team, employees enjoy competitive benefits, including health insurance with 90% employer-paid coverage, state FRS retirement benefits, 14 paid holidays, fast paid time off accrual with more than 20 days earned during the first year of employment. To explore current opportunities, visit baycoclerk.com and select Employment Opportunities under the About Us section. From there, you can review our current open positions and learn more about career opportunities available within the clerk's office. After reviewing available positions, scroll down the page to access our employment application. The application is a fillable PDF form that can be completed electronically and submitted via email. Our team is proud to serve the Bay County community while building a workplace culture centered around teamwork, professionalism, and public service.